Nissan Qashqai Maintenance Filter warning light on dashboard. When you start up the vehicle, no warning lights on system. Use the right hand stick here and press enter when you see maintenance on there. Scroll down until you get to settings, press OK, enter. Then scroll down to maintenance, press enter, and where it says service there, that one's okay, it doesn't need resetting. Go on filter, and this one needs resetting, so press reset. Would you like to reset? Press up and press enter. Now this is reset and that light will not be on there anymore. I'll just cycle the ignition just to confirm that this fault is gone now. So what you might seem is thinking it's a DPF filter fault, it's not actually that. No warning light on the vehicle now for filter replacement. Thank you for watching, please like and subscribe.